Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with Wassce 2019 Mathematics Objective Test, question 24. In the given triangle angle XYZ, the line YZ, this is YZ, is 32 centimeter, XYZ, angle XYZ is 52 degrees, and XZY is 90 degrees. Now find correct to two significant figure, the nearest centimeter XZ. XZ is what you are asked to find, this line underneath it. Now let's call the line X. Now this is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, this side, the side facing, or the side that is directly opposite the right angle, is called the hypotenuse. The side that is opposite the angle is called the opposite, and then this other side is called the adjacent. Now usually we use this relation SOHCAHTOA to express ourselves. Now what we want to connect here is what? The opposite and the adjacent, because the opposite is known and then the unknown is the adjacent, so we connect them together. And opposite and adjacent can be used when you are talking about tan theta. This is TOA, opposite and adjacent. You can see this is adjacent and hypotenuse, and this is opposite and hypotenuse. So our tan theta becomes what? Opposite over adjacent. And I said our opposite is what? Our opposite is 32 divided by our adjacent, which is X. So we have that tan theta. What is our theta? Theta is the angle. Tan 52 degrees is equal to 32 over X. And once you cross multiply, you have that X tan 52 degrees is equal to 32, and we are asked to approximate to the nearest centimeter. So now X becomes what? Tan 32 divided by tan 52 degrees. Now 32 divided by tan 52, 32 divided by tan 52 degrees will give you 25.001, and that's approximately 25 to two significant figure and to the nearest centimeter. That's 25 cm, and that's the same thing with option B. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.